Today we have the 2020 Volvo XC40. This vehicle has done just over 41,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. And on the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, on our first page, we have our applications. This includes our download center, driver performance, and car status. On the second page, we have our key features, which include navigation, radio, smartphone integration, and our car status. On the final page is our car functions. This includes park assist, lane keeping aid, and connected safety. If we press here, we can access our climate control. Just below our screen, we have our drive mode button. From here, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.